Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Confirm the Voice Chat SDK version matches the ML model and that codecs and sample rates align, 48 kHz preferred. Next, provision API keys and a token refresh plan to avoid auth failures during long tests. Then load representative test assets, short WAV clips and noisy scenarios so you can iterate quickly. Once these basics are in place, run a minimal end-to-end connection to surface immediate errors before deeper debugging. Now integrate the SDK audio I/O into your ML preprocessing pipeline, ensuring buffer sizes match both sides to prevent underruns and overruns. Mismatched buffers are a common root cause. Instrument extensively. Log packet timestamps, observed latency, packet loss percentage, and codec negotiation details so you can correlate ML behavior with transport events. Run deterministic tests that inject jitter and 1 to 5 second delays to observe model performance under network stress. Make incremental changes, finish by optimizing inference settings. Tune batch size, apply safe quantization, and choose GPU or CPU based on latency targets because compute choices often dominate perceived voice lag. Verify end-to-end latency goals, aim below 150 milliseconds, and reduce buffering or swap to a lower complexity codec if needed to meet that target. If things still fail, reproduce the issue, capture full logs and packet traces, isolate whether it's a transport or model problem, and iterate on the smallest change that yields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.